Hi guys, so in this video we'll discuss about how the program will be executed by the CPU. Okay, so then here three components are majorly coming to the picture for the program execution. Okay, so one is CPU, central processing unit, and second one is the memory, and third one is the I/O device. Okay, usually the user will give the program or feed the program to the system. So during that time, where the program will be stored. Okay, so we'll see that. So user will give the program as an input. Okay, so sometimes you can consider program as the solution. Okay, so solution means it gives the step-by-step process for the particular problem. Okay, so fine. So user will give the program to the system as the instruction. So program will have the number of instructions. Number of instructions will be there. Okay, so initially if the user gives the program through the I/O devices. Okay, so now where the program will be stored. Okay, so memory can be divided into two memories. One is the primary memory and the secondary memory. So always the user gives the program. Gives the program to the CPU. So automatically it will come through the I/O device. Then it will be stored in the memory. So it will be stored in the secondary memory. Okay, so when the instructions or program will be transferred to the CPU means if the user gives the execution command. So user gives the execution command. So at that time, so the program will be transferred from, or it will be moved from secondary memory to main memory. Okay, so example, so secondary memory to main memory. So number of instructions will be there in each program. So number of instructions will be there in each program. So while if the user is giving the execution command for the particular program, whole program won't be executed in the CPU. Okay, so now the instructions will be, that is the whole program will be transferred to the main memory. From the main memory, it will be transferred to the CPU instruction by instruction. Okay, fine. Now consider three things are there. One is the I/O device, memory. So memory can be divided into two. So one is the primary memory and the secondary memory, and the third one is the CPU. So now user is giving the program as an input. So program may be called as a solution. And third one, the program will have number of instructions. Okay, fine. So now number of instructions will be there in the program. So program will be stored in the secondary memory. Okay, fine. So from the secondary memory, if the user gives the command of execution for the particular program. Okay, so now from the main secondary memory, the program will be transferred to the main memory. Okay, you can consider here two things. So this is the secondary memory and this is the primary memory. Okay, now from the secondary memory to primary memory it will move. So from the primary memory, here number of, so program 1 if you are considering, number of instructions will be there. Number of instructions will be there. So instruction by instruction it will be executed by the CPU. So now you will have the clear understanding of how the program will be executed in the CPU. Okay, fine. So in the next video we will discuss about how the instructions are executed by the CPU. Thank you.